Good afternoon, minions. It's me, Mrs. Heckman here, and we are going to learn how to turn our keynote presentation into something that we can embed into our wiki without having to send us to some wacky link somewhere. So today we're going to use another website called slideshare.net, and we're also going to get some practice at exporting things. So first, if you're already from the wiki, what you're going to want to do is have another window open in Safari. So if you're in Safari, Command T or Snowflake T will open a new tab. When you get a new tab, what I want you to do is I want you to go to www.slideshare.net, slideshare.net. And on the second tab, you are going to log in. All right. Our login information, what we are going to do is you're going to type in BCS Engage, all one word, and you're going to type in student for your password. This will let you into slideshare.net. So what you're going to do over here is once you're logged in, you go to Home Page, and when that loads, that will let you upload a presentation. All right, have this window ready in Safari. Next, you're going to go down to Keynote and open up your completed presentation. So I have my completed presentation ABC book. Pretend this is done. Oh, look, it's done. All right, so then I'm going to go to File up here, Export to, and I'm going to export it and change it around into PowerPoint. All right? Watch what happens when I do this. This will want me to change it around and say, all right, do you want to do this to PowerPoint? Yes. Next. Next, it will ask me to save as. You are going to want to save as ABC book final because you're finally done. And this is in your documents, and I tagged mine ABC because that'll help me find an ABC book if I ever need to see it again. All right, ABC book final in the documents. Then you're going to have your partner look it over, see if you did it right. You're going to export it. You might not get this message that says replace, but look, now it says we're turning this into a PowerPoint file. This means that the extension of a PowerPoint file and the slideshare.net will play nicely. If it was just a keynote still and slideshare.net, it might not have played nicely. So that's why we're changing it. Now, you're pretty much done with keynote. You can either minimize the window with the yellow button or put an X and make the red button. So go up here to red, the orange button that says upload when you get back to SlideShare, and click that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the orange button that says upload. You're going to look in your documents and see that, oh, I've got different versions of this. I'm going to want my final version, and you can choose it. This creates a code. This code and this language that we can use kind of like a YouTube video to embed into our wiki, all nice and pretty. I would keep this title here, and for category, I'm going to choose education. For description, I'm going to put this is an ABC book of technology terms. It's public. We're not going to put any tags in here because we're not going to ever search it on SlideShare. We're going to save and continue. It gives us this embed code right here. I'm going to press Command A or double click even. We'll get all of the code in here and you can get everything that you need. We're going to press copy now. Copy is Command C. So Command C copies that whole line of code. That means that your presentation got turned into a language that the wiki can understand. Now, you're going to go back to this first tab over here, Heckman Engage. and you're going to make sure that you're logged in. Ta-da! Make sure that you're logged in. And you're going to go to what? ABCs of Technology. You are going to go to the page that you made. So if I'm in Miss Freshman's class, I'm going to see Brennan and Mrs. Heckman's ABC book. So here is where we're like ready to roll. So I'm going to edit the page. And the very last piece of this, after we've put our names in here, so we're going to erase this text because we're going to put our widget in there. Now a widget gives instructions to our wiki page to tell it what to do. So hit the little TV box and embed the widget. Now, we have this code. And if you go all the way down to other HTML, you can get the code to paste here. Paste is Command V. This language then now says, hey, put this thing that you made here and then make it play automatically. So press save, don't type anything in there. And if I want to see if it works, I can press preview to my window. Ta-da! It worked! Now we can just click through. All right? If you like it and you think it's in a good spot and you spelled, oops, I forgot to capitalize my name, I might continue editing. But if you're really satisfied with it, you then can press save, and then you're done. If you have any questions, definitely rewatch this video for help.